Everybody wants a vinyl top until time catches up with it. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step on how to bring it back to life. So what I'm gonna be doing is showing you trim removal, how to take off the old material. If it needs padding, we're gonna add padding back on there. We're gonna remove this window trimming if we need to. I've been watching a lot of videos. I've seen some people remove this trimming, and I've seen some people tuck this because they're scared they're gonna crack the window, but we're gonna, we decide as we get going, we're gonna build confidence. So we're gonna take off this trimming, then we're gonna take off this trimming right here, but y'all follow along with me. So the first thing I need to do is figure out how to take this trimming off. So what I'm gonna do is go to the other side, take that trimming off, learn how to do it. Then I'm gonna come and record this side so y'all can see how I do it. I'm gonna make it look easy. Okay, so I got this side. So I do gotta still figure out how to get this part off. There's a screw down up in there. Y'all can't really see it. Okay, now that I'm a professional, I'm gonna show you how to do this side. And I'm feeling confident. So I'm thinking about taking this off. Is everything going smooth so far? Okay, now y'all see how I built up my confidence. Well, I think I'm ready for this because everything else came off pretty smooth. And that's that screw I was telling you about. So it's really almost impossible. Yeah, the screw almost impossible to get to with this part right here. Plus that's gonna make my job 100 times easier if I can get this off. So what I'm gonna do is take off that trim on that side. If it come off smooth, we good. If the windshield cracked, the video's over. So you'll know if the windshield cracked because this will be the last part of the video. But if y'all see me again, everything went smooth and I didn't bend the trim. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. And I had to go to Harbor Freight because what I learned so far, everybody said I'm gonna need this. Some type of hooking way, but and we figured it out. So everybody, a couple videos I was saying they was talking about the glass can chip easy. Cause I said, I guess the rear is tempered glass. So if it chip, it won't crack as easy. But the front, they make it's supposed to shatter real easy because it's in the front. So you got to be careful because if you chip the edge, the whole windshield could crack. So that's what had me a little nervous. But let me show you what I figured out. So basically, this is a tool to use. You come up under here, so you catch this. I don't want to pull it too hard because I don't want to chip the glass. But you pull it, and then you see this will come forward when you hook it, and that'll make it come up. I'm gonna set up my tripod, but basically we're gonna get this up under the trim, pull that, and then while I'm doing that, it's gonna release. I did that side pretty easy. Let's see if this is the same way. So I'm sticking it in. I found it, I'm hooked on it. So, lift up, there we go. Find the next one. 1, 2, it's 2 more. Now we just wiggle this free. I'm guessing the top come off the same way. It's only one way to find out. Yep. I don't want to get too cocky yet because it ain't over with yet. So we got 2. I'm thinking we probably gonna have maybe 3 more, hopefully. Or can I slide it off? About to take these old clips off. Yeah, try to save them. Okay, seems like they use extra glue in the front part, so that way when it's going down the road, air don't come through there and it start bubbling up. All right, for now, I just cut around this piece because I don't know how to get this part out yet. I couldn't get no screwdriver down in there yet. We'll watch some more videos later and figure that out. For now, I got it out and I still got my shape. I had to pull it pretty tight, so I don't know if it's still intact. If not, I could just simply make a new pattern. But I'm about to do the other side. Y'all don't need to see that. So after I get everything off, I'll come back. Oh yeah, it looked great up under here. I love that. I'm sure if you're watching this video, yours won't be this easy to pull off. Most times you gotta scrape them and use a heat gun. So all I gotta do is just do some cleaning. Maybe some mineral spirit or something. I'm gonna do something about this part though. I'm not a body guy, but I'm gonna figure something out for him. Because that's really all I gotta do. I had to cut some of this out over there. And now the next step is to figure out where to get this top from. Because normally I put down a Landau top pad and sand it, but like this material had the top pad already on there, which I'm liking the sound of that. I've never seen that before, but I'm definitely about to do that so it can save me a lot of time, so I don't have to put the pad on there and sand it and scuff it and all that. Worry about lining it up. Yeah, I'm really liking the sound of that. But this top is so good, I really don't even need any padding. But we're gonna be professional and we're gonna do it the right way. Also, I'm gonna be wrapping this dash in probably the next video, so make sure y'all like and subscribe because y'all don't wanna miss that. I'm gonna pull this dash out, figure out how to repair the cracks, come up with a technique. I think I got something in mind. So we're gonna do that. So you definitely don't wanna miss that video.